Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. One of my subscriber asked me regarding lighting control panel. So how lighting control panels work? So you see here, this is a Google form. I search light circuit. If you see light circuit, there's a, let's see this one, or let's say go for this one. So light here, switch, and the battery. This is normal light circuiting. So consider this light switch is automatic. Let's put one timer switch. So if you go with the Google, you type timer switch. Okay, timer switch for light. So this is the timer switch for the light. Example something like this. Okay, this one have 24 hours time settings. Okay, so if you program this timer, let's say 12 hours, that meaning 12 hours light will burn. After 12, it will off. So if you go light timer switch inside, uh, how can I show you? Okay, something like this. You go inside, it's a YouTube channel. Yes, I want a larger image. Maybe this one. Okay, you see this one timing? This is the timing. Same like alarm. So the connection something like this. So it will be breaker, timer switch, and to the light. So this one you can consider as a battery or a DB, anything. This breaker for the safety purpose. Even this one not here, it will work. So timer switch, so it will go to the bulb. So here the light is controlled by timer switch. So this is also one light control system. Maybe you need morning 6 o'clock to no, maybe night 6 o'clock to morning 6 o'clock. You want to burn this light after 6 o'clock. It should be off. So you can set in this timer switch like that. So this is one of light control system. So the simple theory, we are going to put something instead of switch to control the light. Okay. So this is the simple theory. So if you want to control by timing, we will use timer switch. Okay. But if you want to control with some other thing like through a computer or through a remote, any other thing, it will be same concept, but instead of switch, that certain electronic part will work here. So I hope you understand what is lighting control system. So, okay, let's go to the paint. My AutoCAD expired. I have to activate. So today I want to make video. So let's draw in the paint. Okay, this is let's say light. Okay, let's fill this one light. Okay, this is a line which is going to direct to the neutral point. We can make it X neutral. Let's make capital. Okay, So that, let's make here hand. So this one somewhere here. And there's another point. We'll go with the blue. Okay. So this one. Then we will put a note for the live, meaning live current. Then the switch control. So we will put SC. Then to the light. So this is a simple system. Okay. Neutral point, light, live current, switch, and this is the light. Light, okay. So here, this part can be anything, this SC. Okay. Can be a timer switch, what I show here. Can be photo cell. This one, photo cell. This photo cell sensor. So this one, how it will work. When the dark comes, it will switch on the light. When the brightness comes, it will switch off the light. When the dark comes, it will switch on the light. When the brightness comes, it will switch off the light. Something like this. So what I am trying to say, whatever system you have, it should be passed like this to the light. So let's say this light have some special light which can change color like RGB light. Okay, something like this. So anyhow, if you have some kind of system here, RGB light system, there will be a small gadget like controls. So what will happen? There will be a wire through here, and again another wire go something like this, and this another wire will go to the maybe computer, something like that. Okay, computer or any other programming panels. Okay, so this one, uh, this one will be no more. Mm, delete from here. This one will come to here. Then from here, there is a here. Okay, let's delete this. Here to here. Okay, so sometimes this will be not available. Something like this. If you say multi-core, light cable. something like this. Okay, this one will come for the special light. So this system called lighting control system, LCS. Yeah, lighting control system. So this system, it will not work for the one light, it will work for the many light. Okay, so let's make big. So something like this, many will be inside the panels. Something like this. This will call lighting control panel, LCP. Let's type LCP. This is the lighting control panel. So the controlling system can be various. We cannot say only one. There is a one system called home automation. This is also one kind of control system. You can switch off and switch on the light through this system also. This is called smart house. Okay, you can control anything. So what will happen? There will be one gadget, small gadget, which is belongs to the smart house system, home automation system. And let's say this is the SMRT. I will put SMRT. Okay, then light will go work with this one. This one wire will go to direct to the SMRT panel. Name can be various. This I keep this name for my easy work. Okay, this SMRT one panel give power to this. So you will no more see this one. Okay, and there will be another wire to this one to the live current. This is how it will work. So many system you can find something like this. So there's another system, building management system, BMS, light in control. So this is a through BMS panel. So if you go here, you can understand BMS network, uh, strong control system, and the network, and it will control everything. Can control light, HVAC power, AV, everything. And if you want simple diagram, something like this, through network. Anyhow, you have to keep in your mind, if this control light controlled by not manual, meaning there should be a panel, like lighting control panel or smart panel, any panel should be there. Otherwise, this light cannot control automatically. So if you see here, some panel they have mentioned here. So inside the panel, you will see something like this. So this is all belongs to electronic. So as electrical draftsman or electrical beam modeler, inside this panel is not our work. We should understand the diagram and provide the cable, required cable. So normally this one, sometime Cat6 cable can come and power cable together both. or separate Cat 6 can come and separate power come. So when you are working with the lighting control system, you have to understand the technique by seeing their diagram, then you will know. But lighting control system is very simple. It's not very hard. Just if you understand the basic, you can continue. I hope you understand everything very well. Until next video, take care. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.